Udacity classes are all about student thinking and student problem solving. We challenge our students to think, not just to memorize and apply known solutions. We have several different methods of knowledge checking already set up and hope to produce more. Currently, quizzes are in the form of multiple choice, fill in the blank, and programming. Each question is framed so that students use intuition rather than simple memorization. We believe everything in math and sciences can be made more intuitive. Here is algebra being taught in our format.
So I was just looking at the St. Patrick's Church here in San Francisco, and I want to know, how tall is it? I think we have the skills to answer that question. So some relevant facts. Right now, my head is about 1 meter above the height of the camera lens, and the camera is about 2 meters in front of me. The church is about 90 meters behind me, and notice that the top of the church lines up perfectly with the top of my head. I want you to tell me how tall is the St. Patrick's Church and give your answer in meters. So I've done some of the work for you, setting up the triangles. Your job is to tell me what's the height of the church, and you can enter your answer here in meters. And the key step here was in realizing that we have two similar triangles. We have this large triangle formed by the height of the church, the distance from the base of the church to the camera, and then the distance from the top of the church to the lens of the camera. We also have this smaller triangle formed here. And check it out. These triangles share an angle here. These are both right triangles. And this angle, therefore, must be the same as this. So we've proved it. We have two similar triangles. Now we just remember that the ratio of any two corresponding sides must be equal. What do I mean by corresponding sides? Well, this side over here matches with this side here. So let's take that ratio. I'll call it question mark over 1, question mark 1. In fact, I'll use meters here as my unit. And I know this must be equal to the ratio of this long side down here, which is 90 plus 2, over the ratio of the corresponding shorter side, which is just 2 meters. Now we learned all about cross multiplication. So if I multiply this guy by this guy, I'll get 92, and that's equal to this times this. 2 times, and I've called my variable question mark. If I divide both sides by 2, I get my answer. The unknown side is 46 meters tall, and that's the height of the church.
Finally, students can validate their knowledge and get further instruction through community learning and forums in many different subjects. All of these tools will empower the student to check their knowledge through many different avenues and are available for everyone online for free.